Daad community. Today I am discussing about aligned business values in e-commerce refer to the alignment of a company's values, ethics and practices with those of its customers. This concept has become increasingly important in how businesses operate and how consumers make purchasing decisions. Here is a detailed explanation. Definition and importance of aligned business values. Shared values. Aligned business values imply that a company's principles such as sustainability, ethical sourcing, and social responsibility matches the values that are important to its customer base. Brand loyalty and trust. Businesses that align their values with those of their customers often see increased loyalty and trust. Consumers are more likely to support and advocate for brands that reflect their personal beliefs and values. Transparency and authenticity. This alignment requires the transparency and authenticity from businesses, as consumers are increasingly savvy and can identify when a brand's proclaimed values do not match its action. Areas of focus in aligned business values. Sustainability and environmental impact. Businesses are adopting these sustainable practices in response to the growing consumer concern about the environmental issues. This includes using eco-friendly materials, reducing the carbon footprints, and implementing the recycling programs. Ethical labor practices. Fair labor practices and ensuring that workers in the supply chain are treated ethically and paid fairly is another key area of aligned values. Social responsibility. Engaging in socially responsible practices such as charitable giving, community involvement, and supporting the social causes aligns with the values of many consumers. Inclusivity and diversity. Emphasizing inclusivity and diversity in business practices, product offerings, and marketing is increasingly important to consumers. Challenges in aligned business values. Balancing the profit and values. One of the main challenges for businesses is balancing the profitability with adherence to these values, especially if sustainable and ethical practices incur higher costs. Avoid greenwashing. It's crucial for businesses to avoid the greenwashing, making misleading claims about how environmentally friendly their products are, as this can damage the reputation and trust. Consistency across the business. Ensuring that these values are consistently applied across all areas of businesses can be challenging, but it's necessary to maintain the credibility. Consumer expectations in aligned business values. Demand for transparency. Consumers expect transparency regarding how products are made, where they come from, and the environmental and social impact of their production. Desire for authenticity. There is a growing desire for authenticity in brand communications and actions. Consumers are more likely to engage with brands that they perceive as genuine and aligned with their values. Informed decision making. Consumers use the alignment of values as a key factor in making purchasing decisions, often researching and choosing the brands that visibly demonstrate shared values. Future trends. Increased consumer awareness. As consumers become more aware and informed, the demand for businesses to align with their values will likely increase. Greater corporate responsibility. Companies may face the increased pressure from both consumers and regulators to adopt the responsible business practices. Innovation in sustainability and ethics. There will be opportunities for innovation in developing the more sustainable and ethical business practices. In summary, aligned businesses' values are becoming a critical aspect of how businesses operate and market themselves in the e-commerce space. Companies are recognizing the importance of reflecting their customers' values not only to build the brand loyalty and trust, but also to contribute positively to societal and environmental issues. Thanks for watching and the support.